6 most mighty animals around the globe. Tigers. There are few cultures across the world that considers tiger as a symbol of strength, courage and dignity. They usually hunt deers and wild boars. They are slowly becoming extinct because of human activities, which is destroying their habitat. Actions like logging, road building and development, also hunting them for meat, pelt and folk remedies is affecting their population enormously. There are only 3,200 tigers left on land. They are found in variety of environment like arid forests, mangrove forests, tropical forests and colder areas like eastern Russia and northeastern China. Wild tigers reside in Asia while smaller species prefer much warmer climates of India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia. All tigers are strictly carnivores. National Geographic revealed that they succeed in 10% of their hunts. They are born helpless and blind, also within 8 weeks they are ready to learn how to hunt and keep hunting along with their mother. As 2 years passed by, they are left on their own. Rhinoceros beetles. There is a horn-like projections in male beetles on and around, hence the name rhinoceros beetle. This animal is considered as the world's most dangerous animal despite of its small size. Guinness Book of World Records states that it can carry 850 times more than its body weight. A physiologist at the University of California at Berkeley was curious about the research and wanted to test it himself. For that he made them carry a weight system he had created. To his surprise, the results matched with what was recorded in the book. He discovered that they can carry up to 100 times their own body weight, though they did struggle to move. He also found that these beetles, if they carry only 50% of their own weight, it's just trivial for them. Elephants. These animals consume about 600 pounds of food every day. They manufacture tons of manure and enormous amount of methane gas. They keep feeding themselves for approximately 16 hours a day, which if compared with an adult consumes up to 5 bales of hay and 4.5 kilograms of grain a day. Citing their size and weight, which is 8 to 11 feet tall and about 2.3 tons respectively. Moreover, their amount of intake being so massive, yet their digestive system isn't that special. They are able to digest with less than 50% efficiency, and that's why they defecate from 12 to 15 times a day, dropping down to 250 pounds of manure, or can also be said, 40 tons a year. Their size causes a positive response to the environment as well. They can uproot trees and undergrowth, transforming a savanna into grassland. Some other benefits, like they dig for water during drought season, which creates water holes for other animals as well. The eagle. They are no doubt one of the strongest birds among all. They are quite massive, extraordinarily built, and are capable of ripping flesh from their way just by using their large hooked beaks. Moreover, its powerful curved claws are fatal. Its eyesight is so sharp that it can locate its prey even whilst flying. The world's largest predatory bird carries its powerful wings and enviable strength. Additionally, they can carry their prey more than 4 times their own weight. The king of the sky has caught fame for its furious behavior too. They target ground-dwelling mammals and birds by easily swooping towards them, then grabbing them without giving any thought or chance for the animal to escape. The creatures fail in ducking and saving themselves, and hence become one easy meal for the aggressive eagle. Leafcutter ant. By just merely looking at them, it's hard to say that they can carry such vital task during their lives. This tropical fungus-going ants also inhabit in South and Central America, Mexico and parts of the southern United States. Their evident name doesn't describe that they eat leaves. In fact, they cut it and take them towards their nest, where they are responsible to create a huge salad bar. They gather them to feed their gardens of decomposing leaves. The fungus from these is what actually their food is. It's a huge mission to accomplish, with certain rules which are accurately followed by each one of them. Each ant workers and soldiers. Their job is to also protect these leaves from any harmful parasitic flies and wasps. This task is carried by plucking any parasites that make their way to the leaves. They are amazingly great hard workers. Anaconda. They are semi-aquatic snakes and inhabit in South America. They also possess the title of being one of the largest in the entire globe. They are famously known for their amazing swimming ability and are very terrifying. These massive snakes hold the power to crush their prey by coiling around them and crushing their bones. According to herpetologist and professor of biology named Bill, there are 4 known species. They are green, yellow, dark spotted and the Bolivian anaconda. They are classified by their size, color and geographic range. Moreover, their color palettes allow them to merge with the tropical rivers and rainforest, ensuring their safety. Furthermore, they do pounce on unsuspected prey. The massive one being the green anaconda, it's honored by being the heaviest and the largest muscular snake. It spends most its days swimming in murky rivers. Additionally, they can also be found sunning themselves on branches hanging over the water when it needs to take rest from hunting.